Hello traders, digital nomads, experts, how are you? I wanted to show you this setup today. You can see this is gold futures, and the reason why I wanted to just show you this flip, this 1 hour CBC flip, is because it's very big, very huge. You can see here the size from this candle here is like 47 points in gold, which is that's a lot, right? And a lot of people would be scared to take this trade, but let me show you why you should just take the trade. When you see the flip, just makes sense. Look what we did here. This, we broke the low. So we had here a change of character. This is very important to understand. That's a huge signal that we have a new change of character. And you can see here, if we enter the trade uh, when the close happen here at the candle, we go straight here in, and we target just easy a 1-to-1. If we target 1-to-1, we have 44 points, and we target 44 points. Here we go. It's going exactly to the low here. Look at this. This is not made up. Do you understand how this 1 hour flip works? It's giving you 1-to-1 candles, but we can find a better entry as well. Let me remove this now. If you enter straight here, like I said, you will perfectly hit your TP 1-to-1. All right, but now we can see we have a pullback a little bit. We have a candle down, and then we have a candle up, and then we have a push down, because this is the New York open here. This candle, right? And this is the pre-market New York, where we get a pullback, and then we have the kill, the really like sellers stepping in heavy. So now what you can do, you can go to the 15-minute. We will just mark our candle. Where is our 1 hour candle? This is our 1 hour candle from 12 to 1. This is our 1 hour candle. Here we go. That's the candle, right? And now if we take the volume profile, this is how I do it. You take the 1 hour candle, and now you can see where the point of control is, where the most volume was traded in this 1 hour candle. So we can see we are quite good to take the trade immediately, because this is where the point of control is, right? But if we go 1 hour back, you can see here at 11 exactly, and now we have again huge volume here, and again volume here. So if you wanted to take this trade, guys, that was a very good opportunity, or very good confirmation that this trade is valid. When this candle, the bullish candle, in my case is white, closed like that, you can safely enter this trade. So you could actually go like that. You enter on this candle again, you put your stop loss just above. Your stop loss is now 36 points instead of 45, and you target 1-to-1, and you're good to go. So the reason why I wanted to show you this video now is to show you that you don't have to be scared if you see a big push down, a drop, because there are still sellers waiting. You see, I get a lot of signals, the market is moving. And another confirmation that I'm checking is on this chart. This is where the flip happened on this candle. You can see here. The first indicator that I have here is the MACD, and the MACD on the 1 hour, 30-minute, you can see here, 15, they are all negative, which means I know there is a seller still present, and we will have a more down move. You can see here, look at that, sellers pushing down, and here is the MACD negative MACD, 30-minute negative, and 15. So that's why don't be scared. Watch the MACD. The MACD is telling you a story. If the seller is still present, And he was. That was just a nice pullback to enter, and then we just traded. I hope this helps. I hope you see the volume or the value in what I do here, the video review. I know that was not the best entry here, but you can see that was a confirmation that the seller is here. It pushed down. I know the volume is here. I will take the trade at least here or already here. All right, hope this helps. If you have any more questions, let me know. Have a great, wonderful day.